Setting up your L&D team? Let's break down 3 common structures and why they matter. First, centralized learning. In this model, one leader, like a chief learning officer, who acts as the brain of the company's training efforts, oversees all training, making sure it's aligned, strategic, and relevant across departments. Its pros keeps everything consistent. Works great for small teams or bigger companies with standardized roles. Perfect for e-learning localization across global teams. But there's a catch. If departments feel out of sync or ignored, they might ditch the system and start doing their own thing, which means wasted time and training is worthless. Next, decentralized learning, the flexible option. Unlike centralized models, decentralized learning lets each department run its own training. No central control. Pros? Super flexible. Each team trains in a way that fits their needs. Faster response to change. Closer ties to subject matter experts means better knowledge sharing. Cons? Harder to collaborate across departments. Inconsistent training can make messy systems risk of duplicated effort, like 5 teams building the same course. So while it's agile without coordination, things can get chaotic fast. Federated learning. The best of both worlds? This structure blends centralized strategy with decentralized flexibility. There's a core L&D team setting standards and systems, while departments still get the freedom to adapt and deliver. Pros? Shared tools and governance. Strong business alignment. Balanced, efficient, and scalable, when done right. Cons? It only works if you've got skilled leaders to manage both sides. Without that, it can fall apart fast. Choose a structure that fits your business and helps L&D become a true strategic partner. Want help bringing your training vision to life? Team up with us today.